how to download Minecraft in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download and install Minecraft in your Android device. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply tap and open your Google Play Store. Now in the Google Play Store, go to this search option and simply search for Minecraft. Now once you have searched for Minecraft, hit the search bar and you will see this Minecraft game right here. Also make sure you will need to make a purchase in order to install this, and currently it is available at a huge discount, so you might be able to get it under $1, especially if your country of residence is India. Then the next thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this install button, and then you can choose to either install it now over any network or only when Wi-Fi is available. So I'm going to choose the now option and then click onto this OK button. And now you can see that the download has been successfully started, and let's wait for the download to finish. You can also enable this option that says auto open when ready, so you can simply jump into the app just after it installs. So currently you can see the percentage it has been downloaded, and now you can see that 100% download has been successfully completed. So now the system will attempt to install it in our mobile device. So let us wait for the installation, and then we can simply jump into the Minecraft and I will guide you further. So now you can see that the installation has started, and we can click onto this play option, and now you can see that we are inside our Minecraft setup. So that's how easily you can download and install Minecraft in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.